Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play your video through the View menu, and I'm going to show you an additional way to play your video as well. So you've got a Google Vid open, you're on the edit page, and you want to preview the video that you have, see what it looks like, sounds like, whatever. One way you can do that is to go to the View menu, and the very first option that shows up is Play. And so if I click on this, it will open up the Google Vids player. You'll get the preview. It'll start playing. You'll notice some controls down here at the bottom. First, you can pause it. I'm going to pause it because I don't want to play the sound over me. Go back 10 seconds, fast forward 10 seconds, the time stamp for where you are, how long the video is, volume controls, if there's closed captioning or subtitles, you can display those, the play speed, settings, quality, playback speed, other stuff, and then full screen mode versus regular mode. So there's a lot of different things you can do in this player to get a good idea of the project that you're already working on. One other way to get to this player is this big play button over here. If I click on that, you'll notice it does exactly the same thing, and it takes you to exactly the same player, all the same stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.